This is Mr. V, and in this video we're going to learn how to evaluate a linear expression by substituting the value of a variable. So we want to evaluate the expression 3x plus 8 when x is equal to 5. And we're going to do this by substituting our value and then evaluating. So we have the equation 3x plus 8. And what we're going to do first is we're going to substitute in the value x equals 5. So when x is equal to 5, this expression becomes 3 times 5 plus 8. Now to evaluate it, we're going to have to use our order of operations. So remember, we always do multiplication first. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus 8. And 15 plus 8 is, of course, 23. Now, if this is part of an exam question, you can always do the evaluating stage all in one step, simply by using your calculator. And that is how we can evaluate a linear expression by substituting. Fantastic.